Hi, I'm Hank. I paraglide in the living and push cars to the limit. What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be building a new build, but first we have to do part A, which is what we started working on. We first started on the table here. This is actually a table frame, which I didn't record that time, so therefore we're going to now finish it up and then I guess move to part 2 of the build. Part 1 is very necessary to build part 2, which is the main build, and I guess let's get to it. What's up guys, so it is the next day here, and we finally got the wood, and we're gonna measure it, put it on, and oh well, we might take it off because I might want to paint it, the table, but so far table looks pretty good. We did a good work welding these edges over here. See, probably needs some work, not the best welds, but it holds it in place. That's what we need. So I guess let's get to it. So we've glued the pieces together. We'll let them dry tonight. They'll dry no problem. As you can see here. Here we do have gaps here and here. We probably we measured wrong, but it's not deal. We just add pieces here and here, not a big deal. Underneath here, you can see here it's on the other side there. It's not. It will touch here exactly, so we just left it here in the center. But it should be okay. Here it's a bit big and not really the exact right size. A bit up and down. But with that, I think this brings us to almost the close of 90% of our project. Soon we can move to part B, which is my favorite part. List in the comments if you know what it is, and yeah. And with that, guys, thank you very much for watching. Our part A build is almost 100% complete. Just need to add a few touches to it, and then now I guess in the next video we're going to start the second project, part B, which is the main project why we needed to build this table for. And I'll see you guys in the next one. If you haven't already, like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.